Welcome to Roadrunner, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a potential buyer, or someone just looking to keep up with the latest in the automotive world, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be talking about the highly anticipated 2025 Alturas G4, an SUV that promises to deliver a combination of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. Let's dive right in and explore the details that make this vehicle stand out from the crowd. The 2025 Alturas G4 is a mid-size SUV that caters to a wide range of drivers, offering a solid blend of elegance and toughness. Its design has received some refreshing updates, making it look even more sophisticated and appealing. The front of the Alturas G4 features a bold new grille design, paired with sleek, sharp LED headlights and a redesigned bumper. These changes give the vehicle a commanding presence on the road. The side profile remains muscular, showcasing pronounced lines that give it a sense of strength. The new alloy wheels not only enhance the look of the vehicle but also provide better handling and performance. Moving to the rear, the updated LED taillights and refined bumper design further solidify the premium look and feel of the Alturas G4. Under the hood, the 2025 Alturas G4 continues to impress with its powerful engine options. It is powered by a 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine that churns out about 202 horsepower and 441 Newton-meters of torque. This engine offers plenty of power, making it ideal for both city driving and long highway journeys. It is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts. Whether you are driving in stop-and-go traffic or cruising at high speeds, the Alturas G4's powertrain delivers a refined and enjoyable driving experience. For those who need more traction and stability, the SUV also comes with an available 4x4 drivetrain, giving it the capability to handle a variety of terrains, including rough, off-road conditions. When it comes to handling and comfort, the 2025 Alturas G4 performs exceptionally well. The SUV comes equipped with a finely tuned suspension system that ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on rough or uneven roads. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, allowing both the driver and passengers to enjoy a comfortable experience. The vehicle's high ground clearance provides an added advantage when driving on unpaved roads or when navigating through difficult terrain. Whether you're heading off-road or just driving through the city, the Alturas G4 offers a well-rounded driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Alturas G4 impresses with its luxurious and spacious cabin. The interior is designed to provide comfort and convenience for both the driver and passengers. The front seats are leather-wrapped and power-adjustable, allowing for a customized seating position that ensures maximum comfort on long drives. The second-row seats offer ample space for 3 adults, with plenty of legroom and headroom. For added versatility, the second-row seats also feature a 60 hours 40 minutes split folding function, allowing you to increase the cargo capacity when needed. The cabin is also equipped with several premium features, including a high-quality sound system, USB charging port, and a panoramic sunroof. The dashboard of the Alturas G4 is equipped with a large touchscreen infotainment system that's easy to use and packed with features. The system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation, allowing you to stay connected and entertained while on the road. The screen itself is clear and responsive, offering quick access to various functions. Below the infotainment system, you'll find the controls for the climate control system, which is user-friendly and allows for precise temperature adjustments. Overall, the interior of the Alturas G4 is a combination of practicality and luxury, making it a great place to spend time during long drives. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Alturas G4 has you covered with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The SUV comes equipped with multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags, providing excellent protection for all occupants in the event of a collision. The Alturas G4 also includes a host of driver assistance technologies designed to prevent accidents and improve overall driving confidence. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work together to offer additional support to the driver, making the Alturas G4 one of the safest vehicles in its segment. In addition to safety, the 2025 Alturas G4 offers a range of convenient features that make it an excellent choice for everyday use. Keyless entry and push-button start add to the convenience, while the powered tailgate makes loading and unloading cargo easier. The SUV also features a premium air filtration system, ensuring that the cabin remains fresh and free from allergens and pollutants. For those who need to store their belongings, there are plenty of compartments and cup holders throughout the cabin, making it easy to keep your items organized. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Alturas G4 does a great job of balancing power and economy. The diesel engine is relatively fuel efficient for a vehicle of its size, providing decent mileage for long-distance journeys. The 7-speed automatic transmission also helps to optimize fuel efficiency by providing smooth, efficient gear shifts. Whether you're driving on highways or in city traffic, the Alturas G4 is designed to offer a practical balance between performance and fuel economy. The 2025 Alturas G4 comes in a variety of trims, giving buyers the option to choose the model that best fits their needs and budget. From more basic trims with essential features to higher-end variants that offer a more premium experience, there's a model for every type of driver. Each trim is equipped with its own set of features and specifications, so whether you're looking for a well-equipped family SUV or a fully loaded luxury vehicle, the Alturas G4 offers plenty of options to choose from. Overall, the 2025 Alturas G4 is a remarkable vehicle that brings together luxury, performance, and off-road capabilities in a single package. Its updated design, powerful engine, advanced features, and focus on safety make it a standout choice in the midsize SUV segment. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, a family vehicle with plenty of space, or an SUV capable of handling tough terrains, the Alturas G4 is an excellent option to consider. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Alturas G4. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Roadrunner for more reviews and automotive content. Your support means a lot to us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. Stay tuned.